You can take a screenshot of your iPad's whole screen. This video describes how to take, edit, and save a screenshot. The power button is on the right side of the top edge of your iPad. The volume buttons may be on the top of the right edge of your iPad or on the left of the top edge of your iPad. To take a screenshot, press the power button and the top volume button at the same time. A thumbnail of the screenshot will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. You can swipe the thumbnail left to dismiss it, or tap on the thumbnail to edit the screenshot and tap Done when you are satisfied with your edits. The screenshot will save in the Photos app. You can access it in the album called Screenshots.